Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Teams meeting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off your video in a Microsoft Teams meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off your video in a Microsoft Teams meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you have to hold meetings with your employees, with your customers or suppliers, but maybe you just woke up and you don't want to be on camera. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Microsoft Teams meeting call. You can see this is a live one. I jumped up, the timer's ticking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But here I am in the Teams meeting. You can see that my camera's off. And in order to turn off your camera, you're going to click this little camera button here on the top right. So since mine's off, it's going to turn it on. So, sorry guys, there's two of me. It's kind of weird, but so my camera's on. If you happen to pop into a Microsoft Teams meeting and you want to quickly turn off your camera, just click on the camera icon and then immediately it's going to disappear. Now, when you are entering a Microsoft Teams meeting, you can actually disable the camera before you enter into the meeting. That's more of an ideal situation. So let me go ahead and exit this call. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create a new call. Okay, so I just clicked on a call link. So I haven't actually entered into the call yet. So you'll see this screen and you get to choose what you want to show up. So for me, if you want to turn the camera off, you're going to click this little slider and it's going to say your camera is turned. So that way, when I go to join into the Microsoft Teams meeting, join now. Okay, I just joined in and as you can see, my camera is not showing. So later on in the call, if I want to turn it on, that's fine. I can just click up here on the camera and immediately it just turns on my camera. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn off your video camera for a Microsoft Teams meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it, both during a call and then also before a call. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.